MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper and TireRack.com.
These days, you can order anything online and have it show up at your front door with just the push of a button, whether that be dinner, groceries, or pet supplies. And for drivers, an increasingly popular service is mobile tire installation. Let's see how it works. You may choose to visit your local tire shop or members-only shopping warehouse for your next tire purchase, but we found the best tire shopping experience to be online, at a dedicated tire site that allows you to not only read reviews from thousands of previous customers, but also offers expert opinions and rankings from their independent tire testing. This helps you pick the right tire for your vehicle and your priorities: handling, wet traction, ride quality, fuel economy, off-roading, or maybe winter driving. Mobile tire installation is offered in many parts of the country and was available for our order, so we decided to try it out. The time and place we chose for our service call was scheduled as a part of the purchase process. After our order was placed, a ticket was created and assigned to the nearest warehouse, in this case, Newcastle, Delaware. This facility houses tens of thousands of tires at any given time in seemingly endless rows and racks. Tires are picked, packed, and shipped from here to individual customers, shops, and installers up and down the East Coast. Our Baltimore-based mobile tire installer picks up our tires at the warehouse and brought them to the installation location. Our technician arrived on time and got right to work. His van was fully equipped for the job with floor jacks, a tire mounting machine, valve stems and new tire pressure sensors, as well as compressed air and even a safety cage for inflating the new tires. Swapping, mounting, and balancing 4 tires on site typically takes about an hour. The cost for the service varies by region and supplier, and ours was comparable to having a local shop do the work, with a fair surcharge for having them come to us. We think it's well worth the price just for the convenience of not having to take your car somewhere else and drop it off and wait while the work is getting done. Mobile tire installation is a convenient and cost-effective solution for most vehicles. If you have a question or comment, reach out to us right here at MotorWeek.
The MotorWeek app, which includes our latest reviews and feature stories, is now available for mobile devices.